In today's video, I'm going to show you another way how to make money online in the easiest way possible without getting tired. And guys, you won't be required to have any professional skills, neither you are required to have a knowledge. In fact, you just have to listen what I'm going to explain on this video, so in the end, you will be capable of doing this and earn like a real pro. If most of the people work 8 hours to earn a lot of money, you're just going to do this in 1 hour and get paid like you're working full time. I know it sounds to be too good to be true, but everything is real and I'm going to show you. But first, before I do that, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel but also turn on the notification bell so in this way you will never lose any new update from me. Now let's jump over to the part because I cannot wait to explain to you every detail that you need to know. So first we have to jump over to YouTube because I want to show you something that is related to how you are going to make the money online. Now guys, if you think that this is about how to make money online by using YouTube, then you are wrong because in fact if you want to learn how to make money by publishing videos on YouTube, then you can check out my other videos because there you are going to find a tutorial. This video is going to be for a totally different thing. So I have made a small search over here about healthy diet. It's not like it will be related to how we are going to make money, but I have just made it to show you what you can see on the screen when you search up for a particular thing. So you see these pictures before you click the video. This is called the thumbnail of the YouTube video. And most of the people create this thumbnail to attract the attention of the people. So with this thumbnail, you can understand what the video will be about without actually clicking on it. So you know that basically you are going to check out how to create a healthy plate. So YouTube thumbnails usually work out like this. So they give the idea on what will the video be and also to attract the attention of the people to click on the video and get more information. So I'm going to show you today how you can create these thumbnails and make money because there are people out there, YouTube channels, who are willing to pay you a lot of money just to create them a really good and professional YouTube thumbnail. Because as I told you, YouTube thumbnails are really important up and play a really good part on getting a lot of views. So if you create a really good thumbnail, you are going to help out the YouTube channel to get views. So this is why people would pay for creating those YouTube thumbnails. And guys, the design that we are going to use will be picmaker.com. Here you are going to check out that this is a tool designer and you can create stunning designs with online graphic design software. You can find out on products what you can create here: Facebook ads, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, Twitter posts, posters, brochures, logo maker, and many more options. But guys, we are mostly interested on YouTube thumbnails, so we don't care about other things for now. But if you want to, you can check out by yourself. Now what you will have to do is scroll down till you reach the end, and here you are going to click on YouTube Thumbnail Maker, and you are going to be directed to this page in which you can get more information how you can create a YouTube thumbnail and how you can use the thumbnail generator. But it's really simple. In fact, you just have to follow up these 3 easy steps. So first, launch the Picmaker. Second, choose your template. And thirdly, edit your design. And what you will have to do now is just click on make your YouTube thumbnail now. And you're going to be directed to this page in which you have to sign up for free. You can sign up with Google account or you can sign up with Facebook account or you can do it manually. After signing up, this is the designs over here, the templates, the photos, the objects, the text, and the background that you can create. So let's delete this style and let's make it empty just to create a new one from the beginning. And how you can do that? Well, pretty easy. So first you have here all of the designs, and I'm going to search up for templates related to what we are trying to do the YouTube video. So because we started this with healthy diets, I'm going to finish up with healthy diets too. So I'm going to search up for a really good thumbnail which is related to healthy diets. I'm going to go with this one over here, weight loss diet plan 2020. You can change the text and you can put it over here, healthy, and you can change the size of the text to healthy diet plan 2022. So now you can also change the pictures over here. So you can put whatever you want to. At the elements, you can find different objects. So let's say eating, for example, health. And it's going to be shown up to you related images to eating healthy, and you can choose one of this. I'm just going to get this one and put it over here. Just to give the people the idea. So just like this. Now guys, we need to put something on the background because we don't want to leave it like this. So go over to photos and you can search up for a healthy diet. And here you are going to find a bunch of pictures related to healthy diets, and you can choose whatever you want to from this. So just make sure that it's not a pro photo because you will not have the possibility to use it. Let's say, for example, that I want to use this one. So I'm just going to put it, set it at the background. And as you can see, I have created a template. A very good one, YouTube thumbnail. Now what you will have to do after you have finished up with all of the edits and everything, and if you think that it's a really good, let's say, YouTube thumbnail, then you can download it over here just by clicking on it. Now guys, where we are going to use this, where you can sell this kind of stuff in order to earn money, where you're going to use people per hour and also CAO clerks. People per hour and CAO clerks are freelancers websites in which you can work and earn money as a freelancer. Now here you are going to do this job which is related to YouTube thumbnail maker. If you search up for YouTube thumbnails maker, you're going to see other freelancers doing this job and getting paid, starting with the minimum of $10 per each YouTube thumbnail they create. Now just imagine getting more requests, like 100 requests. That means that you're going to earn $1,000. Now also on CAO clerks, you have over here a lot of people who are willing to do this job and are earning money. So as you can see, they put different prices starting over with 10, 50, also to $50 per each YouTube thumbnail that they create. So guys, whatever the price will be, just do this with the help of Picmaker and you are going to get paid a lot for doing one of the simplest job ever. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out other videos as well.